Hi, I'm Joe Hnat, and I want to give you a little background into my latest adventure. My Udutu lesson, Working with Sterling, is a prerequisite for all students in my jewelry and enameling class to watch as they start into their final project for the semester. The ability to make their own sterling silver ring is the main reason that many students take this course. And it never fails that during this most important demonstration, several students decide it's more important to discuss other matters than to pay attention to all the procedures and the safety points that are being discussed. Originally created in Flash for the Digital Media and Design Applications class, just 1 month too late to use with my high school class at the time, the offering of courses in this fashion was one of the 2 ideas being considered as a possibility for my thesis. Who would benefit from this material, you might ask? Well, this lesson was not only designed as a way for the students to get all the important information before they begin constructing their ring, but also for other teachers to be able to incorporate into their lesson on working with forming and soldering techniques. The tools and techniques shown and demonstrated are very universal in the creating and soldering of metal jewelry, even though it does concentrate on making a ring. I will be separating this Udutu lesson into smaller standalone segments as well, so that, as it is suggested by LCMS practice, the smaller bits of instruction, each which can stand alone, can be combined to create a complete lesson from beginning to end. As was suggested by the requirements for this lesson, we were to choose a specific scenario within the Udutu framework. I tried to use the best practice scenario, but found it very impractical to jump through the hoops that Udutu places within the formatting. It was much easier for me, at least at this time, to use the blank pages and to create my own flow. I felt that it also allowed me to be more creative and to complete a more artistic-looking page. Although my course is posted on Facebook in Udutu Teach, and I sent a group message out to all my friends and acquaintances, not many accepted the challenge. I needed to bribe family members to take the course, and even then, only the ones at home took the challenge. I do know, however, that the majority of my high school students do use Facebook and would be able to access the information that way, although I would instead rather post it on my school site or my class website. So you see, it may have taken some time and even a little arm twisting, but this course was taken by my immediate family members at great expense to me. The report I'm about to show you was generated using the report function in Udutu Teach on Facebook. Although this is nothing stellar in terms of results, it does show that the use of a social network can help to get a course into the mainstream. And if there's enough interest, someone might just take it and learn enough to do some creation of their own. Well, that's it for part 1. Please be sure to catch part 2 of my final LMO project.